So this is my get. I'm going to get all books, and I'm just going to click on execute. Alright, so after execution, this is what I'm getting. The response is 200, which means it is successful, and I'm getting all these things which are in my MongoDB. So for the post, I'm going to do this. I already have a parameter here. I will try it out, and then I'll copy this and paste this. Then I'll click on execute. So it showed a response of 201, which means that this was successfully created. As you can see, the title, the author, and all the rest, it was successfully created, and it is inside my MongoDB database. So for the get, this is my MongoDB database. This is my books DB. So I'm going to copy this ID. You see that this title is becoming, author is Michelle Obama. So let me split the screen. So I have split the screen, and this is get by ID, and I'm trying it out. This is the ID, and when I click on execute, we got this, a 200 response, and this 200 just means that this was successful. So as you can see, this is it here. Alright, so for this book, I'm going to update a book by ID. I already posted this deep work, so this is the ID that I just got from MongoDB right now. I'm going to have put this ID already, and this is the work. So I'm going to change the year from 2016 to 2020 to 2020, and then I'm going to execute. So right here, this is an error. It says unauthorized. I'm not authorized to do this, not authenticated. So that means I need to log in to get access to this. So right now you can see I have logged in, and here I have a token. So because of that, I retried this, and as you can see, it has a 200 response, which means I'm now authorized to log in and to update this. So the publish here right now is 2020, which if we go to my cluster, before I refresh it, you can see this is 2016. So let me refresh it so it will take effect. So when I refresh it, you are going to see deep work, Carl Newport, and the publisher is 2020. So for this delete, I already have this ID. For the Alchemist, this is a duplicate Alchemist I created with another ISBN. This is the Alchemist here. I'm going to delete it. So I already copied this and I pasted it here. After that, I'm going to execute. As you can see, 200. The response is this message: book deleted successfully. So this is the second collection, which is the authors. Get all authors. I just come here and I click on try it out and I execute. So the response is 200, and these are my authors here. All of them, they are here, and it's working perfectly fine. Alright, so this is the post. I want to post a new author, and I want to post Chinua Achebe. Then I click on execute, and this is the response 201. So it has created a new author on my database. So right now I want to get an author. By ID. So this is the ID, and I execute. As you can see, it's 200, and the response it gave me is Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. So this is Chinua Achebe, and this is the ID I want to update this. Okay, let me change it from 1930 to 1935. So this is the response. It's a 200 response. It has been changed to 1935. So for this, I'm going to delete Chinua Achebe using the ID. So I click on this, and this is the response 200 message auto deleted successfully. So for the validation, I'm going to remove this ISBN, for example. I'll remove this which is needed, and I click on execute. This is for the post validation. As you can see, a 400 error, bad request. And for the books, the updates of the books, I'm going to remove this intentionally, and then I execute. It was an error, 400 bad request. For the author too, I remove nationality, Nigerian, and I try to get this. It was a 400 error, bad request. This is for the author for the post, and for the put as well. This is the put. This is the put, as you can see, for the authors. For the put as well, I will intentionally remove Nigeria, and then I execute. It throws a 400, which is a bad request. So this is for the validation. It works. So for my controller, this is controller.js. I have a try and catch block, and I also have an if statement that checks what the user is inputting is valid. Same thing with my book controller.js. I have a try and a catch block for all of them. I have an if statement to check whether what the user is inputting is valid as well. So this is my authenticated routes. Because of time, I only showed one using my Swagger, so this is it. I have protected route here, and this is for my book routes.js. The other one is for author.js. This one is for book routes.js. So here is my database. The first one is the authors. You can see I have 7 entries. These are the entries here. There are 7. So I have 7 entries with this, and my books, I have 8. 1 to 8 of 8. So these are the items inside of it. Thank you very much. As you can see on my Swagger, this is a live link. This is a live link here. It was deployed on Render, so this is the live link on Render.